Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming capabilities and getting into the admin interface because you can't change bands without access. Use an Ethernet cable for stability or log into the current Wi-Fi. Type the router IP into your browser. Enter the admin credentials you noted earlier. Once logged in, locate wireless or Wi-Fi settings, some GUI separate too, 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Make sure firmware is recent. If not, update it now before continuing, since old firmware can hide options or cause failures. Now choose which band to use or run both simultaneously. You'll pick 2. 4 GHz for range and device compatibility, or 5 GHz for throughput and lower interference. Set distinct SSIDs if you want manual control over device placement, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Adjust channel and channel width. 20 MHz reduces congestion on 2. 4. 80 MHz boosts speed on 5. Apply settings and reboot the radio if required. Make sure clients reconnect to the intended SSID to validate changes. Finish by saving changes and rebooting the router, then reboot client devices so they register the new band and settings. This often resolves DHCP or connection issues. Test performance with a speed test and check coverage. If a device won't see 5 GHz, confirm hardware supports that band. If you encounter problems, scan for channel congestion and move to a cleaner channel. As a last resort, revert to the prior configuration or perform a factory reset and reapply the corrected settings.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.